Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're here again with another BoxyCharm unboxing. So if you want to see what I get in my November box, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, so we're back. I don't know, we didn't go anywhere, but yeah, so this is my November box, and so let's go and jump in the box. So the November box is invite only. Shop our annual holiday blowout sale now and score up to 80% off of retail. Get a free gift valued at $40. No details will drop all month long, but hurry. Give quantities are limited. Shop now at boxycharm.com. So what is it? Invite only? I think is it a pop-up store or add-on stuff that's going on right now? So I guess that's what they're talking about. So we'll put this on the side real quick and let's jump into these. So the first item in my box is from Primrose and Cream, and it's a lip and cheek cream palette. I hate those. I hate those. Like, I hate anything that's lip and cheek. Like, I don't like it. I don't like it at all. I don't know, this blush looks pretty though, but it doesn't really have like, see, it looks like so. That's the middle shade, and this shade over here looks like so. Maybe this shade. So that's the shade on the end, that's the middle one, and then this is this shade right here. They all kind of look the same. So yeah, I just don't like those, because I don't really use I don't like anything like that, like that's like dual purposing like that. Like, if it is, I want to do it myself. I don't know, this smells good all of a sudden. I've had this wise forever. I want to do it myself. I don't want you to mix it up for me. Okay, so that is that. The next item on here is Glow On. Is this right here, and it's Glow On Fifth Beauty, and it's refresh and reset, and it's a brightening mud mask that looks like so. So just the mask, and it's a brightening one for, so that's pretty cool. Actually, I think I'll send it to my sister, because you know she needs to be doing some brightening like stuff right now, so maybe she get this. So the next thing in my box is from I don't know, it's AMNH, and it's the Unicorn Dreams Whipped Body Butter, coconut oil, vitamin C. Ooh, this smells divine, and it's really moisturizing though. This is good. This is good. And the other thing in my box this month is from Trust Fund Beauty, and it's better than lip oil therapy, or better than therapy lip oil. So it looks like so. Oh, this feels good though. This feels good. This is really good. Okay, and so that's 4 items. The final item on my box is from Trestique Beauty. It's a foundation stick, and it looks like so. Everything I have tried from them, I hate it. So we'll see, and it looks like so. So this will definitely be too dark for me for foundation, but I can use it to contour. It's fine. It's fine if it works. Okay, so no palettes. So we do have to do an eye look real quick, because I already primed my eye. I'm not gonna do anything crazy. Actually, I do a video with this on my last video, which, whew. So yeah, I'm just gonna jump into this real quick. Jump into this, jump into this. This is from Makeup by Yolondo. And we're just gonna do something quick. This is T36. I'm not gonna focus too much on this, like what I'm using here, because again, this is not in the palette. I just want to do a little look, you know? Like literally the only thing in the palette that I can actually use today is the bronzer. Oh, I guess I can use the other things. Oh, the contour. I guess I can use the blush stuff. I don't even know where I put it. So I'm just using this shade right here. This shade. So I'm actually gonna go into this shade, which is another brown. This is the 441 from Morphe. Put on this palette because it's kind of heavy. I actually like doing these looks so people can get just ideas of like quick stuff they can do like every day for work, and you know, because I know like a lot of people don't have like, the time. Just putting a little bit of glue. Don't have the time to just sit and go crazy. Ooh, this is this gold right here. So I'm using this shade. Okay, so that's it. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. Eyes are done. I went ahead and do my foundation since I don't have a foundation, and I put some concealer on. But let's jump into that foundation stick that I'm gonna use as a contour. So actually I just put both of these because I'm gonna use this and I'm also gonna use this as my blush. So this is the contour stick. What shade is this? Polo Cinnamon. This is very, very like slippery. Not saying it's not good, I'm just saying it is sliding all over my face. And I'm gonna use this 405 brush from Makeup by Yolondo to blend this. That disappeared real quick. Real quick. So that's good. That list blends well. But I don't know if I would like that as a foundation. But I think it's gonna work good for a contour stick, so. But in their defense, I don't really use foundation sticks as foundation. I don't like it. I want a little bit more coverage than that. And then I'm gonna go in with my Ruce fluff brush to blend my concealer. I need a little bit of a lighter shade of this concealer. Oops. Wasn't the intention to eat it. Okay. Let's go with this blush and cheek palettes. That's like, oh, this is pretty. Ooh, I actually like this. I know it's heavy, but it's fine because this is under my concealer. Oh, sorry, this is, I still have to go in and set my face. So don't be alarmed. It's cool, but I think I like this. Ooh. That might be a win. Okay. This concealer should be good. Let's blend that. And I know it's pretty like intense, but it's fine. Let me use Banana from Fenty Beauty. And my Tati sponge. This lip oil feels so good on the lip. There might be another still, like oh sorry, another win. This is not as red as it was. I think I'm just gonna put a brown under my eye and then just blend it out. Nothing crazy. This actually has a really good mirror too. So I am just gonna put that dark brown, that second brown, and just blend it out. And now I'm just gonna put that first brown and just blend it out a little bit. And I'm gonna bring down that gold. I'm just gonna bring that down. You know, I was actually reading something on Twitter today. Not Twitter, sorry, Nextdoor. Nextdoor is like Twitter. Like, they're messy over there. Basically, it had this, I guess she lives in a neighborhood and she's annoyed that somebody is mowing in the morning, using their leaf blower in the morning because she works at night. So they use it but she said they use it at 8 o'clock. And I'm like, girl, like I know it's annoying, but when is a good time, you know? Because at some point, at any time, she'll be working. Whoever is using it is gonna be waking up somebody, right? So no time is a good time. But the person gotta work, right? Like, that's crazy. So apparently she's gonna contact the homeowners association, which I'm not sure what they're gonna be able to do for her because I think the loud noise ordinance is like, I think for Texas, I'm not 100% sure on that, but I think it's like 10 p.m. or 11 p.m. to something in the morning. 7, I think. So I'm actually gonna use this from Shein. It's the Sweet Pea Blush Trio. And I'm gonna use that middle shade right here. Much better. But that blush, this girl put like half a gallon of blush. Just gonna put a little bit of highlighter, you know. Okay, so I'm not gonna do anything crazy on my lip, but it feels really good from the situation. I'm gonna put my earrings back. I'm gonna just put a gloss on. This is Temptress from Pat McGrath. Definitely didn't want to go this pinky. Oh god, this one is even brighter. Legit nude comes to the rescue. So let's go ahead and just go through that list real quick. My blonde is something else. Got my phone and let's go through this real quick. So here's the list. So let's pull up my calculator. You know, nothing on here. So the first thing is the Glow on Fifth Refresh and Reset Brightening Mud Mask. Dull uneven skin has finally met its match, brightening your skin's natural radiance by using the Ginger Mud Mask. And that is $30. The next item on the list is the foundation stick. a buildable foundation stick that helps to protect against the harmful effects of blue light, and that's $30. I actually really like that. I don't think I would have used it as a foundation, but I like it as a contour stick, so that's a plus. The Seraphine Botanicals Primrose Cream and Lip and Cheek Cream palette, that $42. That actually I will definitely use again. I liked it. Like, I like how it, you know, stayed under the skin. I know it was super bright, but when I go in with my powder and stuff, it kind of like diffused it, so it wasn't so crazy. But yeah, I like that. And that was $42. The Seraphine Beauty, the lip oil, it's rough out there, but lips don't have to be. I agree, and it feels amazing. So I'll definitely use that again. So that was $18. And I can never pronounce that word. Or it's AMNH Skincare Unicorn Dreams Body Butter, scented with notes of pink cotton candy. I could see that. This dreamy body butter smells like it melts in your mouth, and it is delicious treat for senses. It's sure to bring back childhood memories of pink and blue clouds of, yeah. So yeah, and that's $20. So my total is $140. Yeah, I mean, it wasn't terrible. So I like the blush. I won't use it for lip, but I like it for, you know, blush. I don't see me using it for lip ever. I also liked the foundation stick, and I like the lip oil. So all in all, I actually really like the smell of the body butter, so I'm pretty sure my daughter will love it. So all in all, I really got like, and the brightening mask, I'm not sure, you know, how that is. I'm gonna send it to my sister. She'll test it out, and she'll be the guinea pig, and she'll tell me how she like it, and then, you know, I can report back to you guys. So yeah, so that's it guys for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.
And everything you said made a lot of sense. I thought I was too cold to ever love again, but every single word cut through the rain. We see the distance grow